Another impact of the pandemic, the election. State leaders anticipating a shortage in poll workers come November. The Ohio Supreme Court now has a new initiative to recruit fresh faces to become precinct officials. News 5's Jesse Schultz explains why attorneys have an incentive to sign up.
Finding eligible poll workers come Election Day is not a new problem here in Ohio. But just like everything else in 2020, it's even tougher this time around.
The problem is that poll workers oftentimes are in the high risk area when it comes to COVID-19, just because many of them are over the age of 60.
More than 65% of Ohio's poll workers are over 61 years old. And with more than 35,000 people needed come November 3rd, state leaders are getting creative. The Ohio Supreme Court issued an order allowing Ohio attorneys to receive required legal credit for serving as precinct officials.
We have 42,000 plus attorneys in this state, so you can see how attorneys could fill a large part of that gap if people can't come in, again, for health reasons.
Every 2 years, attorneys have to complete 24 hours of continuing legal education.
It's a good refresher of different areas of the law. It's a good opportunity to catch up on new court rulings and those types of things.
This order will help them rack up those credits. Northeast Ohio-based attorney Dean DePiero says he's all for it.
I think lawyers generally are very civic-minded. The cornerstone of our democracy is voting and free and fair elections. So lawyers who are more skilled in because we're trained to be skilled in reading the law and understanding the Voting Rights Act, that we are in the best position to assist in those endeavors.
Ohio Supreme Court's Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor says the idea has already attracted some attention.
Attorneys that have contacted the court are really positive about this.
And I think that I may volunteer to do it this November.
For News 5, I'm Jesse Schultz.